Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to add digital platforms directly to bookmarks in DuckDuckGo app and computer. So how to add digital platforms directly to bookmarks in DuckDuckGo app and computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to the DuckDuckGo application on your computer. Here it is already on the initial display of the DuckDuckGo application. Can be seen in the upper right corner, on the bookmark. Here the platform is still in the folder. To add a platform directly to bookmark, the method is to simply direct the cursor to the upper left corner of the screen. Here tap right, bookmark, and a scrolling menu will appear. And tap the Manage Bookmark menu. Now here you will be directed to the Manage Bookmarks menu. Tap Bookmark here to manage it. Tap on the Add Bookmarks section. Now here the bookmark input menu will appear. For example, I will add YouTube. In the name section, type YouTube. And here in the URL section, type in full www.youtube.com. After finishing, tap Add. Well, here it has been added. Well, here it can be seen. The YouTube platform has appeared in bookmarks. Why it must be in the folder. So that's it, the tutorial how to add digital platforms directly to bookmarks in DuckDuckGo app on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.